In this video, I'll show you how to download Grindr app and sign up. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, so basically, creating an account on Grindr is easy. You're just gonna follow the steps below. So you need to download the Grindr app here on iOS. Click this link. And for Android, you're gonna click this link right here. Okay. And once you've downloaded and opened the app, you will tap sign up. You'll see two pop-ups. That is the terms of service and the privacy policy. Should you choose to accept, you'll be able to continue with their account creation using any of the options listed below. Number one is going to be via email and password, via Facebook, via Google, via Apple ID for iOS, Grindr web, accessing data and chats, and related articles. Now, for email and password, if you are going to create a Grindr account using your email, so here are the simple steps. Number one, manually type in the email address you'd like to use. Create a strong password. Confirm the password. Scroll to select your date of birth. Select finish. And they will ask you to prove you're not a robot. And then you're free to make your profile. Now, if you're using Facebook, select the Facebook icon. Your device should notify you that the Grindr wants to use your Facebook to sign in. And if you've selected Facebook from the login page, you do not already have a Grindr account, you'll see a pop-up of the terms of service and their privacy policy as well. Should you choose to accept, you'll be able to proceed with creating the account and select continue. Now, if by any chance your Facebook is not installed in your device, the app will redirect you to a mobile web browser for login authorization, alright? And once you've logged in and authorized your Facebook account for use, Grindr will log into your profile. Now for Google, if you choose to use your Google account to create your Grindr account, here's what you need to do. Select the Google icon. If you've selected Google from the login page, you do not already have a Grindr account. So once again, you'll see a pop-up of the terms of service and privacy policy. And same process, select the Google account you'd like to use and select next. And for Apple ID, for iOS, before using the Apple ID to sign in, make sure you have the latest version of the app and that you're logged into your Apple ID. It's a simple process as well. Select sign in with Apple. And then, once again, you're gonna need to read the terms of service and select proceed to continue. Please take note that if your Apple ID is attached to a pre-existing account, you will automatically be logged on into that account, alright? And the support team cannot change passwords for you if you forget them, alright? Now, using Grindr Web, this is currently no desktop version of Grindr. The only way to use Grindr is to download the app, alright? That said, many members of the community have requested a web version of Grindr that can be used on a PC, Mac, etc. So the team is still assessing the potential for re-implementation. Now, accessing data and chats. So after creating and accessing your account on a supported device, you will retain access to your data, account, and chats. That said, we do recommend regularly making a backup of your chat history to ensure its safety from any loss. Alright, you can learn more about chat backup here and request a copy of your account data from Grindr website itself. Thanks so much for watching.